So good morning guys, and today is Sunday, January the 30th, 2022. And yesterday I was going to fly my drone here at this park. It's called Broyhill Park in downtown Blowing Rock. The winds were very strong, so I couldn't fly my drone. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to go ahead and take some pictures to show you guys how the beautiful landscape looks in the park, and everything is snowy, frozen, and the lake is frozen, which it looks pretty. So let's go ahead and set up the drone, and let's go ahead and see what we can see. Today I will be flying my Air 2, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I have it all set up, and I have it right here. Let's go ahead and have it here, and you guys can see it there. Go ahead and get my remote ready. 1 second. Let's go ahead and take off. Everything is pretty good. I got about 13 satellites on locked. I'm just going to get some pictures. That's about it. So let's take off. guys, I finally was able to take that short flight, and I think I got some good pictures and video, so I'll be posting them pretty soon. All right, have a good one, okay?